This is Nigel. This is Nigel's cat. And this is Nigel's company. Nigel and his cat live happily together in Nigel's house. The two of them are best friends. They agree on everything, except for one teeny tiny little matter. Nigel's cat keeps telling Nigel that he needs a BCM plan. Nigel does not agree.
But Nigel, what if you had a power outage? Or a fire? Or a computer virus? Or what if everyone in the office got swine flu?
To which Nigel always replies,
"It'll never happen to us, cat."
This makes Nigel's cat very sad. You see, every day in Nigel's life is exactly the same. He wakes up, drinks his coffee, and drives to work, where everybody loves him. But one day, everything changed. A giant lizard stood on their building.
Oopsie.
Oh, all my most critical employees were in that building, thought Nigel. And so was Gloria from accounting. She always used to bring me my file with all the company's most critical data in it. But wait, it was backed up to my computer, which was in the building. But the data was on the server, which was also in the building. I should have listened to my cat, thought Nigel. Nigel had no choice, because he had no business continuity in place. He had nothing left to do but go home and watch TV. He had no staff, no business, and no money. At least I still have my cat, thought Nigel. But Nigel's cat just walked off in a huff and said, "I told you so. You are such a Nigel."